Welcome to Customer Development in Business Entrepreneurship Crash Course for MBA, covering key topics like validation, acquisition, retention, and Q&A. In this chapter, we will cover the essentials of customer development, including understanding customer needs, segmentation, validation, acquisition, and retention. By the end, we will recap the key points to help you succeed in the world of business entrepreneurship. Let's dive in. Customer discovery is a crucial phase in the entrepreneurial process, where founders interact with potential customers to grasp their needs and pain points. It's all about validating your product or service idea by understanding what your target market really desires. Customer discovery is essential for entrepreneurs to truly understand their target customers' needs and preferences. This involves conducting thorough research and engaging with potential customers through surveys, interviews, or focus groups to gather valuable feedback. By validating assumptions early on, entrepreneurs can reduce the risk of failure and increase the chances of success for their venture. For instance, a startup developing a mobile app can reach out to potential users to gather feedback on features and usability, incorporating this feedback into the development process to create a product that better meets the needs of its target customers. In this slide, we delve into examples of how businesses can engage in customer discovery to better understand their target market. For instance, a tech startup can utilize surveys and interviews to grasp the pain points and preferences of their potential customers before developing a new app. By doing so, they can gather valuable insights that inform the creation of a product that truly resonates with their target audience. Similarly, a food delivery service can improve its business model by seeking feedback from local restaurants on their current delivery options, allowing them to tailor their services to better meet the needs and expectations of their partners. Furthermore, a fitness company can conduct focus groups to gain a deeper understanding of the workout habits and preferences of their target market. This approach enables them to design more effective workout programs and services that cater to the specific needs and preferences of their customers. These examples highlight the importance of customer discovery in developing products and services that truly align with the needs of the target market. Customer validation is all about making sure that people actually want what you're offering. It's like a reality check for entrepreneurs to ensure they're not heading down the wrong path with their ideas. Customer validation is a critical step in the entrepreneurial journey as it helps entrepreneurs gather evidence of the real need for their product or service in the market. By validating their customers, entrepreneurs can avoid wasting time and resources on ideas that may not resonate with the market. This process is essential for reducing the risk of failure and increasing the likelihood of success in the business venture. For instance, before launching a new software product, a startup can conduct surveys, interviews, or beta testing to gauge the interest and willingness to pay of their target customers. This feedback enables entrepreneurs to make informed decisions and pivot their product if needed to better align with market demand. Customer validation is an ongoing process that should be integrated into the overall business strategy to maintain a strong product-market fit. Continuously validating customers allows entrepreneurs to adapt to changing market conditions and stay competitive in the industry. In this slide, we delve deeper into the concept of customer validation, with practical examples that showcase how startups can effectively gather feedback and validate their assumptions about their products. One such example is conducting surveys, interviews, or beta testing to understand the needs and preferences of potential customers, enabling informed decisions on product development and marketing strategies. Another strategy involves pre-selling a product to assess customer interest and adjust production and marketing plans accordingly, generating early revenue and building a loyal customer base. Additionally, offering a free trial period, as seen in the case of a software company, allows for collecting user feedback to refine product features and usability, attract new customers, and increase user retention rates. These examples highlight the importance of customer validation in shaping successful business strategies and enhancing customer satisfaction. All right, so when we talk about customer creation, we're basically looking at how businesses go about finding and bringing in new customers. This is super important because the more customers a company has, the more revenue it can generate. So things like targeted marketing and promotions play a big role in attracting new customers and helping a business grow. Acquiring new customers is crucial for business growth and sustainability. It not only expands the customer base, but also boosts revenue by tapping into new markets and diversifying the customer portfolio. Different industries and target markets require varying customer creation strategies, such as digital marketing or traditional methods like networking events. Continuous effort and innovation are key to staying ahead of the competition and driving business growth. By focusing on attracting new customers, businesses can ensure a steady stream of revenue and lay a strong foundation for long-term success. Targeted advertising campaigns, offering promotions or discounts to new customers, implementing referral programs, and hosting events or webinars are all effective strategies for customer creation. These methods help businesses attract potential customers who are more likely to be interested in their products or services, incentivize individuals to make a purchase, leverage existing customers to bring in new ones, and engage with potential customers to showcase products or services. By utilizing these tactics, businesses can expand their reach, build relationships, and ultimately increase sales. These examples demonstrate practical ways in which businesses can create and attract new customers to grow their ventures successfully. All right, class. Today we're diving into the importance of customer retention. This is all about keeping your existing customers happy and coming back for more. By focusing on building strong relationships and offering incentives, businesses can increase customer lifetime value and reduce acquisition costs. So remember, happy customers equal a successful business. Customer retention is crucial for a company's success as it involves keeping existing customers over time. It is more cost-effective to retain current customers than to acquire new ones, with estimates showing that acquiring a new customer can be 5 times more expensive. This is because existing customers are already familiar with the company's products or services, making it easier to sell to them again. Moreover, loyal customers tend to make repeat purchases and recommend the company to others, ultimately leading to increased sales and profitability. To enhance customer retention, businesses can implement strategies like providing excellent customer service, offering loyalty programs, and personalized marketing campaigns. By prioritizing the retention of existing customers, companies can establish long-term relationships and cultivate a loyal customer base that contributes to sustainable growth and success. In this slide, we delve into examples of customer retention strategies that various businesses employ to keep their customers engaged and loyal. Take, for instance, Netflix, a subscription-based service that focuses on personalized recommendations, exclusive content, and a user-friendly interface to retain its subscribers. By continuously providing value, Netflix reduces churn rates and maintains a loyal customer base. Similarly, a local coffee shop utilizes a loyalty program to incentivize repeat visits by offering discounts and perks to loyal customers, fostering brand loyalty and a sense of community. Additionally, an e-commerce platform enhances customer retention by providing excellent customer service and personalized recommendations, thereby boosting customer satisfaction and lifetime value. These examples highlight the importance of implementing effective customer retention strategies to ensure long-term success in business ventures. Today, we're diving into the world of customer persona. This tool is like a secret weapon for entrepreneurs, helping them understand their customers on a whole new level. By creating detailed profiles based on real data, businesses can tailor their offerings to meet the exact needs and preferences of their target audience, leading to happier customers and increased loyalty. Customer personas are fictional representations of your ideal customers based on market research and real data. They help businesses understand their target audience's needs, behaviors, and preferences. For instance, a clothing brand might create a persona like Fashion-Forward Fiona, a young professional interested in the latest fashion trends. This persona guides the brand in tailoring marketing strategies and product offerings to appeal to this specific segment of their target market. Overall, customer personas act as a compass for businesses, allowing them to make informed decisions that resonate with their audience and drive business growth. Customer personas are essential tools for businesses to understand their target audience better and tailor their products or services accordingly. For instance, a tech company may create a customer persona that includes details such as age, job title, income level, interests, and pain points. This information helps the company in developing products that meet the specific needs of their target customers. Similarly, a fashion brand can benefit from customer personas that outline style preferences, shopping habits, and favorite brands. By creating detailed customer personas, the brand can design marketing campaigns that resonate with their audience and drive sales. In the case of a travel agency, understanding customer details like travel frequency, preferred destinations, and budget range is crucial. This information allows the agency to offer personalized travel packages and experiences that cater to their customers' preferences and budget constraints. By developing and utilizing customer personas, businesses can effectively connect with their target audience and enhance their overall marketing strategies. In this summary, we will touch upon the key aspects of customer development that are essential for the triumph of any startup. From customer discovery to persona, each stage plays a vital role in shaping the success of an entrepreneurial venture. Remember, the success of your business hinges on truly understanding your customers. Stay open to learning from them and adjusting your strategies accordingly. Thank you for listening. Any questions?